Dr. Toney here. KISS series, vitamins, supplementation. We're going to talk about the types of vitamins and supplementations, as well as why we as a society need supplementation. Okay, here you go, the types. There are what's called fractionated or isolated vitamins versus whole food vitamins or whole food supplements. Explain the difference here. If you eat an apple contains vitamin C. And so the thinking is, well, geez, vitamin C can help boost the immune system. So let's take a vitamin, a fractionated, let's just take the vitamin C itself to boost the immune system. The problem with that is God didn't create vitamin C hanging from a tree. He created the apple. And if you look at the apple itself has a small amount of vitamin C, but within the apple itself, there's 1,000 different other phytochemicals, or plant, phyto meaning plant, phytochemicals, plant chemicals that work in synergy with the vitamin C. It's a synergistic action, meaning it helps the vitamin C do what it's supposed to do. So you get more benefit from eating the apple because the vitamin C is going to be utilized because it has all the other chemicals in it versus just taking an isolated or a fractionated vitamin C tablet. Isolated is actually not good for you. There's studies, numerous studies in fact, that show that isolated or fractionated vitamins can be more harmful than good. Isn't that something? You go to the store, you see vitamin A, vitamin B, D, C, complex this, F this, all these different vitamins. We know studies show that vitamin E taking fractionated can actually lead to cardiovascular disease and stroke and increase your chances of it. But we also know that vitamin E protects the heart. So why is that? Again, because it's not given in food. It's not found in nature to have vitamin E hanging from a tree. Vitamin E is normally found in nuts and grains, and that's where vitamin E is found, but it has the other plant chemicals in it that helps the vitamin E function right. So isolated vitamins are not good for you. So your famous name or warehouse stores that say, oh, your multivitamins are multivitamin silver for men or older women, children's little chewable stuff. It's all garbage. It doesn't help you, it doesn't benefit you. Now there is a need to supplement with vitamins, fractionated vitamins, but that's an emergency situation or something where somebody's desperately low in something. For the most part, your body can't utilize isolated or fractionated vitamins. So you need whole food vitamins or supplementation. What does that mean? That means we take a portion of the food and we concentrate that food. So what are you eating? You're eating food. Can you overdose on vitamin A? Yes, you can. It could kill you too. But can you overdose on carrots? No. You might turn orange and poop yourself, but you're not going to overdose on it. Because God created the food to have all the other chemicals in it. We utilize what we need. We get rest of it through our latrine. Got it? So there you go, supplementation. Now, somebody will argue, well, gee, doc, if it's just eating food, why do you need any vitamins at all? Good question. The answer to that is, even if you ate all organic food that you grew yourself, you still need some supplementation. Why? Why? Because the soil is stripped, because the grounds we planted in, because the chemicals in the air, because the herbicides, pesticides, fungicides, our waste dumps, everything is polluting the air and the soil, and what's happening is we're not getting the nutrients out of the food that we should. Even if it is organically grown, it doesn't matter. We're not getting the nutrients like we should. It's become stripped. It's called an empty harvest, to where you're getting a harvest, all these nice, wonderful vegetables and fruits and all this food, but they're not having the percentage of nutritional value that they once had because of what we're doing. Now, most people need supplementation simply because they're eating a Western diet, which is garbage, 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 and more garbage. So you need some supplementation, for goodness sakes. But you don't need to take isolated, fractionated vitamins. Dr. Toney KISS series, vitamins supplementation.